Hello everyone, my name is Anusha Mukherjee. I'm the Chief Business Development Officer for Integrated Fire Protection Pvt Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. The model which you see right now, it is a 3000 CFM version. It goes up to 30,000 CFM. We're currently the world leaders in manufacturing, firefighting, high expansion foam generators used in application settings for aviation, marine sectors and military bases for hangar protection systems. These are generators which can be used in several of these ports and plants, and we have been supplying to over 40 to 45 countries, which is applied with all international standards such as the UL listing, as well as our foam which is being used, the HX foam concentrate as well. IFP India was formed 45 years ago, which was firstly IFP Sweden, and then we have diversified from foam concentrates to up to fire trucks. So we are a company which organizes from designing to commissioning with 6 different divisions: foam concentrates, firefighting rescue vehicles, extinguishers, equipment division, and we have an R&D specialized laboratory which is NABL accredited. So all international testing for firefighting has been carried out here. And in aero defense, we're showcasing our product line from our lithium-ion battery fire extinguishers. The agent which we are using here is Super 5. It is in a 5 mineral-based agent, as well as our generators and medium expansion foam generators used in consolidated engine rooms. And the sectors which we have been catering to at the moment is the oil and gas, from aviation to aerospace, as well as tank systems, as well as defense segment.